Hi there, it's Annie Lou. Hope all is well. I decided to get a Target beauty box this month. And what I like about Target beauty boxes is that before you purchase it, they show you what's on the inside. And I remember liking what was in this box, and it's kind of heavy. I don't remember what was in the box, but it's nice and heavy, and there is a great watercolor artwork on here. So the beauty boxes they're $7, free shipping, but sales tax, and I want to say it's like $7.59. And it comes really fast, really fast. So let's open it up. And it says, clean up your beauty routine. All right, and they always give you a coupon for $3 off any beauty purchase at Target, which is cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. And it's really easy to spend $15. All right, so let's open it up. All right, this I never understand. It probably costs more for the packaging for these cotton rounds, because you only get 2 of them. And I've had these before. I mean, the quality is excellent, but really, 2? Come on. Oh, this is why it's heavy. What is this? Love, save $2 now. But what is it? I think this is a bonus, because I do not recall having this as an option. And Love, Home, and Planet, this is laundry detergent. Oh, it smells really good. All right. So I guess it's whoops, I got some on me. 4 times concentrated laundry detergent, lavender and argan oil. And the next thing is a cleansing balm from Lumine. Is that how you say that? I think this is a brand, well, it has to be a brand that you can get at Target. So let's open this up and see what it smells like. And I can't smell anything. And I can't smell anything except for the laundry detergent I just opened. It's very thick. It's really nice. You know, I have a real problem with dermatitis on my face during the winter, and I'm gonna have to try this. It's nice and smooth and oily. A cleansing balm. I like that. It does have a nice, light, clean scent to it. The next thing is Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and I have this in my kitchen, and I do like it. I like it a lot. So really, can they make their sample any smaller? I just think it's a really waste of, you know, stuff. Why not give you enough to really try it? Okay, and here is something that goes along with the Lumine, I don't know. Vitamin, it's an oil cocktail. So this would be like a serum, and you would put it all over your face. When using things, I like to use things that are from the same family, so that is good. It's a pretty good box. I already did my laundry today, so I'm going to have to wait to try that. Next we have deodorant, Native Charcoal Deodorant. Oh, it's not like totally black. I'm afraid to use that. You know, it could stain your bras. It says Native Charcoal Deodorant has a fresh mineral scent with citrus undertones and the power of charcoal. So I like charcoal, but I just don't know about the staining. Next thing is, coconut oil body lotion. I have like, you know, a paper sample of this stuff. and I've been wanting to use it. Now this is nice. Okay, now that is what I call a nice sample size. And nice travel size. Let's see. Next time I'm going away is in April to a scrapbook week. Actually, it's like 5 days. I just can't wait. Shower sheets. Large body wipe instantly. So this is good for traveling. This would be good for camping. No time, no shower, no worries. I think that's great. Say you're on the beach and you want to freshen up a little bit. Have those with you and just freshen up before you hit the restaurant. Beach weather is coming. I'm very excited about that. And now we have Burt's Bees fluoride-free Zen peppermint toothpaste. And there's a coupon in here to save $1 off a full size, which is really good. So if I like it, I will buy it. Well, thank you for joining me on this Target box opening, and please like me and tag me and send me along to your friends and family. Thank you. Bye-bye.